Let me tell you something honestly. There is no magic recipe. I will not say abracadabra, and suddenly you become mentally strong, full of willpower, and quit everything overnight. That does not exist. Quitting addiction is not magic. It is work. So before we start, be ready for effort. Because this video is not about the typical motivation type. This is about understanding of issue and steps we can take to overcome. 1. Trap of addiction. Let's begin first understanding what is addiction. Most people believe addiction means weakness, but neuroscience shows something different. Your brain gets hijacked by dopamine. Then, what is dopamine? Dopamine is often referred to as the feel-good hormone because it plays a major role in the brain's reward system. It motivates you to repeat behaviors when you scroll, smoke, gamble, or watch something addictive. Your brain receives a strong dopamine spike. For a short time, you feel good, but when the enjoyment ends, what comes next? Frustration, irritation, emptiness. And that uncomfortable feeling pushes you back again. Not because you want pleasure, but because you want relief. That is the addiction trap. 2. Impact on brain. After long dopamine overstimulation, then something strange happens. Normal life starts feeling boring. Studying feels boring, work feels boring. Conversation with your loved ones feels boring. Why? Because real life gives low, natural dopamine. Your brain now expects extreme stimulation, so ordinary happiness stops feeling rewarding. And many people misunderstand this moment. They think, my life is boring. But reality is, your brain needs more dopamine, or constant stimulation of previous sensation. 3. Path of action and hurdles. The biggest obstacle to quitting addiction is not addiction itself. It is ignorance. Because awareness is the first victory. If you don't accept of your bad habits or addiction and identify your trigger, you cannot change your behavior. There is a question. Ask yourself honestly, because only you know the answer. When does the urge come? Is it when you are lonely, stressed, procrastinating, late at night lying in bed, at study table? People usually make major mistake when they try to stop addiction. They say, from today, I quit forever. That sounds powerful, but psychologically, it fails. Your brain fears big change. Do you think you can break the fortress which it creates in years of repetition? Will it just break in a single day? Instead, start at a micro level. Not forever. Just today. Just this moment. Small victories train the brain, because big declarations scare it. And before you even begin this journey, your brain will oppose you. In your path of breaking the loops of addiction, you may feel restless, unmotivated. Your mind will create excuses like it will be for last time. This is normal, because addiction created strong neural pathways. But neuroscience research, including studies from Stanford University, shows something hopeful. Your brain has a neuroplasticity, meaning your brain can rewire itself. Every time you resist an urge, you weaken old neuron connections, and you build new ones. You are literally reshaping your brain. You may have heard about the 21-day rule. It is not magic, but it is a useful starting phase. Around 21 days, your brain begins adjusting, but real habit change often takes 60 to 90 days depending on the behavior. So don't rush transformation. Consistency matters more than speed. Now remember one rule: never remove a bad habit without replacing it. The brain hates emptiness. If you stop scrolling, replace it with reading. If you stop smoking, replace it with breathing exercises or some healthy snacks. Replacement teaches the brain a safer reward. Another powerful tool is tracking progress. Write it down. Keep a small journal. Mark successful days. Research shows people who track behavior become far more consistent because progress becomes visible. Invisible progress builds motivation. Effort over regret. Listen carefully. You will fail at some point. Everyone does. Missing one day does not destroy progress. Relapse is not shame. It is feedback. Admit it. Understand why it happened. And repeat the process again and again. Persistence rewires identity. In the end, quitting addiction is not about becoming perfect. It is about choosing effort over regret. One day, or day one. That choice is yours. You don't need superhuman willpower. You only need small, consistent effort. Because every time you choose awareness, every time you delay the urge, every time you try again, you are taking back control from addiction. Not magically, but scientifically. If you're aware about your addiction, try breaking it. Start today. If this helped you, comment below. What habit are you trying to break? You may inspire someone else to begin their journey too. And remember, effort always beats regret.